This is part 3. I'm the running.
Ma, please.
Mommy, please. Kachi. I wish that we have a cameraman. Another day.
Heck, Josh.
Yeah, all the misery. Okay. This is part 3. Make sure to. Come on. Yeah, the miseries.
The misery.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Nothing. A misery.
A misery.
No one's a champion.
No one's a champion.
I'm the champ.
I'm not. I am the champ.
Ay, nasaan na tayo, diba? Sorry, guys.
No.
Ow! Wait! Wait, I'm gonna go first. Say something to Roosevelt.
Okay. Me too.
Aray means ouch, okay?
And Ruth Bell, please go. Just wait because Ruth Bell, please go to Philippines and go to the Green Church in the yellow house with 2 cars.
With 2 cars, everybody has
Comment
to-
down, Ruth Bell, comment down below if you, how many years are you? Hey! Guys, I mean Ruth Bell, say to me in how many years you're gonna go here.
Hi! Ouch! Owie! Oof.
Hey, quiet.
May paa.
Ay, tumahimik ka.
Eh. Make sure to comment down below.
Who's the
Girls.
Ow.
Sorry, guys.
Guys, comment down below if boys is gonna win.
No, girl. Yeah? You're gonna go say me like that?
No.
I'm the most strongest. If you die,
Alright guys, now for the rest.